Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons and initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrudula Kadderu, your mathematics teacher for standard 6th. So children, let us continue with chapter 8 decimals. So children, let us continue with the exercise. Students, today we will be starting with exercise 8.3 where we have to find which number is greatest. We have already studied how to find the smaller and greater number, ascending, descending, isn't it? But in decimals we have not done. So children, today let us study how to find which decimal number is greater or smaller. So first let us begin with A question 0.3 or 0.4. When you see the numbers, you observe that in the whole number place, whole part is left side of your decimal, so it is 0, isn't it? So the whole part is same in both the cases, whereas in 10th place you find here 3 and here it is 4. So you can say that 0.4 is greater than 0.3. So you can write the statement as the whole part is same, whereas 10th part, in 10th part 4 is greater than 0.3. Hence 0.4 is greater than 0.3. So children, you can write the statement like this. The whole part is same in both the cases, whereas the 10th place is greater in 0.4 when compared to that of 0.3. Hence or therefore 0.4 is greater than 0.3. Similarly, when we take second example 0.07 or 0.02, in both the cases the whole part is 0, it is same. Next 10th place, both are 0, again they are same. So you write the whole and 10th part is same in both numbers. But in 100th place you find that here we have 7 and here we have 2. So 7 is greater. So the 100th place is greater in 0.7 than that of 0.02. Therefore 0.7 is greater than 0.02. Next question, question number C, we have 3 or 0.8. So children, here 3 is a whole number, whereas here we have 0.8 which is a decimal. So directly you can write 3 is greater than 0.8. The statement will be the whole part of 3 is greater than that of 0.8 because here we have 3, here we have 0. So write the statement. Next one is D, 0.5 or 0.05. So children, here in her whole number part we have both zeros, whereas in 10th place here we have 5 and here we have 0. Hence we can write that 0.5 is greater than 0.05 and the statement is stated like this. The whole part of both numbers is same, but 10th place is greater in 0.5 than that of 0.05. Hence this one. Next, moving to E, 1.23 or 1.2. So children, here the whole part and 10th place part, whole part is 1, 1. 10th place we have 2, 2, isn't it? Whereas in 100th place here we have 3, but here we have nothing. So we can say that 1.23 is greater than 1.2. I hope you all are understanding. Now next question F, 0.099 or 0.19. So children, again compare. The whole number part we have 0, whereas in 10th place we have here 0 and 1. So now you can tell me which is greater number. Yes, the greater number is 0.19 as the 10th place here is greater when compared to that of 0.09. So write the statement like this and you write therefore 0.099 is smaller than that of 0.19. Next one is 1.5 or 1.50. So children, again compare. The whole part is same, The 10th place is also same. Next, in 100th place, here we have 0, but here we have nothing. If nothing is there, it is considered as 0, isn't it? So we can write, when all are same, you write that 1.5 is equal to 1.50. Moving to next one, 1.431 or 1.490. So children, here the whole number part, that is 1, both are same. Next, in 10th place we have 4, again it is same. Whereas in 100th place we have here 3 and 9. So 3 is greater or 9 is greater? Yes, 9 is greater. So you can write that 1.490 is greater than 1.431. Moving to next question, 3.3 or 3.300. So children, again start comparing. Whole number part, both are 3. Next, in 10th place again, both are 3. Whereas in 100th place, here we have nothing, but here we have 0. But you also know that if nothing is there, it is considered as 0, isn't it? So you can write that both the numbers are equal. Next, moving to next one, 5.64 or 5.603. Again start comparing, children. Here the whole number part is same, as it is 5 and 5. Next we have in 10th place 6 and 6, isn't it? So children, again in 100th place, here we have 4, whereas here we have 0. So can you tell me now which is greater? Yes, this number is greater because 4 is greater than 0. So therefore 5.64 is greater than 5.603. Now moving to next main question, that is make 5 more examples and find the greater number from them. So children, you can make your own examples, like how they have given here 3 or 0.8, 1.23 or 1.2. Like that you can write your own numbers and you can find the greater among them. So it is for your homework. So this question number 2, do it for homework.